Using Klarna at eBay is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can use Klarna at eBay. So the process is pretty simple. You just need to select any of the products that you want to buy. You need to add them into your cart. Suppose I want to buy this, phone. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to click on this buy it now. And I'm going to click on this checkout as cash. Now, what they will want me to do is they will want me to put my address, and after putting the address, I can easily put, the Visa or MasterCard, the PayPal or PayPal credit. But I cannot see Klarna right here. So how can you pay with Klarna? So for that, you need to have a Klarna's card. For that, you need to go to the Klarna's app, and in the card section, you can easily apply for the card. Your card will something like that. It should be physical card. You need to, put the information from your card. As you guys can see, these are the numbers. You need to put these numbers or your CVV, your expiry date, and your payment for your eBay product should be deducted from your Klarna account. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can pay with Klarna at eBay. Hope you guys find this video helpful.